Hi guys, welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
In this video, we are going to talk about third Python standard library module, which is math module. Math module provides us some basic mathematical functions such as trigonometric functions, representation functions, logarithmic functions, and angle conversion function. And we will talk about all the functions one by one. Before discussing how we can use trigonometry functions and other functions using math module, first we have to import math module using import keyword, and this is a built-in module. We don't have to install this module using pip command. Just we have to import using import math, and then we will use all the attributes of math module. Firstly, we will talk about two constants that are very important. First, pi, and second, e. We can find value of pi using math.pi, and see here the value of pi constant. And also we can find the value of e using math.e, and see here this is the value of e constant. Next we will talk about trigonometric function. The math module contains functions for calculating various trigonometric ratio for a given angle. For example, we have functions sine, cos, and tan. But these functions take argument in radian form. But when we express the value of all the functions, we express value in degrees. And also we have two functions that we will use to convert degrees to radian and also radian to degree. Now we will discuss how to convert a radian value into degree and degree value into radian. And see here, first example, angle conversion from degree to radian, and we have angle in degree. This is a variable, and see here we have angle 30 degrees, and using math.radian we can convert easily degrees to radian. And see here 0.523 and so on. This is a value of 30 degree angle into radian. And also we can convert radian to degree, and we just use math.degree, and then we write the value of radian, and see here it returns degree 29.999 and so on. This is a degree value of 0.235 radians. Now we will discuss sine, cos, and tan. And we have discussed that all the functions will take input in radian. So that first we have to convert angle degrees to radian. And see here, we have a variable angle in degree which is equal to 90, and then using math.radian we can pass variable, and then we convert the degrees into radian and stored in angle in radian. And then see here, using print statement I will print angle in degree and then angle in radian and then I just apply the function sine, cos and tan, and using math.sin, and then I pass the value in radians, and then see here math.cos, math.tan, and then we will pass value in radian and see here the result. First we have angle in degrees, then I just converted using math.radian, and see here this is a value of 90 degree in radian, and then sine 1.57 is equal to 1, and cos equal to 6.1, and so on, and also tan equal to 1.63, and so on. And in this way we can find the value of sine, cos and tan, and also we can convert the value degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Next we will talk about some basic functions: power, exponent and logarithmic value. We have some built-in attributes of math module. For power we will use POW, and then we will add arguments x and y, and this will return x raised to the power y, and exp function just return e raised to the power of x, and also log x function is used to get the log value. And see here, first example is for calculating power. We will use math.pow, and then first is the x and second is y, and when we apply math.pow, it will return 2 power 3, and see here the result, 2 raised power 3 equal to 8. Now we will talk about calculating exponential value, and we will use math.exp, and see here we will pass the value, and this return e power value, or power of e is value. In this case I have passed 2, that's why it returns e raised to the power of 2, and see here the result. And also we can say that it is equal to math.e star 2. This is a method to calculate the power or exponential value, but also we can use .exp, and then we will write the power, and see here it returns same result. Next we will calculate natural log, and we will use math.log, and then we will pass the value, and see here log of 10 return 2.30, and so on. And also we can find log to different bases using log, and then we will write base, and then in bracket we will write the value, and see here it returns this result, and both are different. Next we will talk about round off method. We have two methods, ceil method and floor. Ceil method returns the smallest integer value greater than or equal to x or number that we have entered. And floor, it returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. And see here, using math.ceil, we can calculate ceiling value. And ceiling values mean we have many values greater than 4.5, but we will write smallest integer value that is greater than 4.1, and that is a 5. And we have many different larger values 5, 6, 7, but we will write smallest value that is greater than or equal to the number. Now we will talk about math.floor. It returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. And we have many numbers that are less than 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will talk about math.floor. And see here I have written here 4.9 and it returns 4. Floor returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. It means we have many numbers that are less than 4.9, 4, 3, 2, 1. But we will write here largest number, which is 4. Next, we will talk some basic functions of math. Math.square root, and using SQRT we will take the square root of any number. And also we have math.factorial, and using this attribute we can find factorial of any number. And also we have math.fabs, which is absolute value. We can find the absolute value of any number using math.fabs. And next we have math.fmod, and we can find the remainder of any two numbers. We have 11, 5, and it returns just 1 as a remainder. Next, we will talk about math.fsum, and this method just returns the sum of any iterable variable. And see here in this example I just used here list, and it just returns the sum of list. In this video we have talked about math module, and also we have discussed different attributes of math module. If you have any query, please let me know in comment section. And if you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you won't miss my new video.
Stay
Thank you
tuned.
so
We'll
much
be right
for
back.
watching my video.